Okay, John Lewis washing machine in Chislehurst. We have a washing machine here that it's not draining the water, and we have an error code flashing in the display. So the customer's turned it off. I'm about to turn it back on, and we're going to try the drain to see if I can hear the pump. Okay, door's energised. The pump is humming. So let's turn them off for a moment. I'm just going to check to see if the impeller turns. Okay, the impeller's turning fine. So, possibility of blockage. So, yes, a pump. I'll have a look at my van, see if I've got a pump. Okay, we've disconnected the mains water. We have a problem with the drain pump. So very, very carefully, we're tilted on its back, and we can see the drain pumps in the corner. And that's the drain pump. Let's go to the van and see if I've got one. Okay, we have the old pump, identical to the new pump, and we're now fitting the new pump. Okay, fitted. Done. Now we switch on electricity, and we'll now do a quick check. Make sure I can hear the pump. Perfect. Okay, cut electricity. Okay, now we connect the cold hose pipe to the rear of the machine. Pump. Pull.